Build, Don't Talk by Raj Shamani is a motivational and practical guide that encourages readers to take action and build their dreams rather than getting caught up in endless discussions and planning. The book provides valuable insights and strategies to overcome self-doubt, embrace failure, and achieve success through action-oriented approaches. Here is a summary of the key points from Build, Don't Talk 1. Action over words. Shamani emphasizes the importance of taking action instead of endlessly talking and planning. He highlights how many people get trapped in analysis paralysis and never move forward with their ideas. He encourages readers to break free from this cycle and start building their dreams. Point 2. Overcoming self-doubt. The author addresses the common issue of self-doubt that often prevents individuals from taking action. He offers practical tips and techniques to overcome negative self-talk and develop a confident mindset. Shamani provides exercises and examples to help readers build self-belief and take the necessary steps towards their goals. Point 3. Embracing failure. Shamani challenges the conventional notion of failure and encourages readers to view it as a stepping stone to success. He shares personal stories of failures and setbacks, highlighting how they have been valuable learning experiences. The book provides strategies for reframing failure, learning from mistakes, and using them as motivation to keep moving forward. Point 4. Building a support system. Recognizing the importance of a strong support system, Shamani advises readers to surround themselves with like-minded individuals who share their goals and ambitions. He provides guidance on how to identify and cultivate meaningful relationships that can provide support, guidance, and accountability. Point 5. Taking calculated risks. Shamani emphasizes the need to take calculated risks in pursuit of one's goals. He discusses how fear often holds people back from seizing opportunities and provides practical strategies for assessing risks, managing fear, and making informed decisions. The book offers insights into the mindset required to embrace risk-taking and turn it into a catalyst for growth. Point 6. Persistence and resilience. Building on the theme of taking action, Shamani underscores the importance of persistence and resilience in the face of challenges and obstacles. He shares stories of successful individuals who overcame adversity through their unwavering determination. The book offers techniques to cultivate resilience and maintain a positive attitude even when faced with setbacks. Point 7. The power of execution. Shamani highlights that execution is the key to turning ideas into reality. He provides practical advice on setting achievable goals, breaking them down into manageable tasks, and creating an action plan. The book guides readers on prioritizing tasks, managing time effectively, and maintaining focus to ensure consistent progress. Point 8. Finding purpose and passion. Shamani encourages readers to align their actions with their passions and values. He emphasizes the importance of finding purpose and meaning in one's pursuits and provides exercises to help readers identify their passions and core values. The book explores the concept of purpose-driven action and how it can lead to fulfillment and success. Overall, Build, Don't Talk by Raj Shamani inspires readers to break free from analysis paralysis, overcome self-doubt, and take action towards their goals. It offers practical strategies, exercises, and real-life examples to guide individuals on their journey towards building their dreams and achieving success.